Aromatherapy foot soak. This is Rocky with PrankLifestyle.com. To have a relaxing foot soak, or a purifying foot scrub, you can mix 20 drops of patchouli oil with 1 pound or half a kilogram of salt. And you can scrub the bottom of the feet with it. For a deep meditation, fill a bowl with warm water and add half a pound or 1 kilogram of salt with 3 drops of tea tree and 3 drops of eucalyptus oil. Master Cho Kok Soo used to recommend this, and he talked about using sandalwood oil also. In a warm basin of water, you can add 3 drops of tea tree, 3 drops of eucalyptus oil, and let your feet soak for 15 minutes or for however long you're doing the meditation. Like, you can do the meditation on Twin Hearts with your feet in the bucket of water or the bowl of water, and it'll be pulling contamination and helping pull out negative emotions from your feet. You can also add 5 drops of frankincense, 5 drops of myrrh, and 5 drops of spikenard, and let your feet soak for 15 minutes. This is more like the biblical oils here. And spikenard in the Bible, they rubbed it on Jesus' feet. All right, check out pranklifestyle.com and enjoy your foot scrubs.